In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Binance account step by step. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Go to the Account Center by tapping the profile icon at the top of the screen. Next, tap Security, then scroll down until you find Manage Account. From there, select Delete Account Now. Choose the reason why you want to delete your account. After selecting your reason, take a moment to carefully read through the terms and conditions. Then tap Accept and Continue. If you still have any assets in your Binance account, you'll see a reminder to transfer them out first. You can tap, cancel, and move your assets to another account before deleting. If you continue without transferring, your assets will be permanently lost and cannot be recovered. Once you understand that, check the acknowledgement box and tap Delete Account to proceed. Next, complete the required security verification. This could be a code sent to your email, SMS, or through your Authenticator app. After that, your account will be successfully deleted. Now, a quick note about your personal data: deleting your account doesn't immediately erase all your information. Binance is legally required to retain certain personal data for a limited period due to anti-money laundering and counterterrorism financing regulations. Your data will be permanently deleted once that mandatory retention period ends, and that's it. Your Binance account has been successfully deleted.